In this honest Mitolyn review video, you'll learn everything about Mitolyn. From what is Mitolyn, how Mitolyn works, who is Mitolyn best for, real Mitolyn users' results, Mitolyn side effects, and whether Mitolyn supplement truly work. If you're considering buying Mitolyn, watch this Mitolyn video till the end. So what is Mitolyn? Mitolyn is a purple peel extract nutritional supplement made to boost mitochondrial health, help your body create clean energy, and support weight loss, especially belly fat. It's designed for people who feel chronically tired, gain weight easily, or want to restore metabolism that's slowed down with age. Mitolyn isn't a fat burner with caffeine or stimulants. Instead, it targets your cellular energy system, which is your mitochondria, to help you burn more fat naturally while feeling more alive. So, who is Mitolyn actually for? Mitolyn supplement is perfect for 6 categories of people. Firstly, Mitolyn weight loss supplement is the best choice for people that have tried diets and workouts, but nothing seems to work. Secondly, Mitolyn pills is perfect for people that are over 30, and their metabolism feels slower than it used to be. Thirdly, Mitolyn purple peel extract supplement is best for whosoever get tired all the time, even after sleeping. Fourthly, Mitolyn is good for people who feel brain fog, fatigue, or lack of focus. Finally, the purple peel exploit supplement is very effective for people who want results, but don't want to deal with stimulants, caffeine crashes, or risky fat burners. So how does Mitolyn truly works? Let me break down how Mitolyn works step by step. Your body's energy comes from tiny engines in your cells called mitochondria. As you age or live under stress, those mitochondria weaken. That means less energy, more fat storage, and slower recovery. Mitolyn contains a blend of 6 natural ingredients designed to repair and protect your mitochondria, boost energy at the cellular level, improve your metabolism, and help you burn fat, even while at rest. With Mitolyn, you're not just masking tiredness, you're fueling your body at the root level. The contrary to most stimulant fat burner, Mitolyn is made of 6 natural ingredients which are PQQ and CoQ10. These AE known for supporting mitochondria, Alpha-Lipoic Acid. This helps burn glucose more efficiently. Acetyl-L-Carnitine. This turns fat into usable energy, B vitamins, and antioxidants. This reduces oxidative stress. Every capsule is packed with science-backed nutrients that help you feel better, think sharper, and lose fat smarter. Let's talk results. Thousands of users have shared their experience using Mitolyn for weight loss, fatigue, and focus. Many report feeling more energetic within a few days. Others see belly fat reduction within 2-4 weeks. Many say they feel mentally sharper, more motivated, and just normal again within few weeks. Carolina, a 37-year-old woman from New York, said, "Mitolyn helped me drop 10 pounds in a month without changing much, just moving more because I had the energy to." Of course, not everyone sees overnight results, but consistency is key. Take Mitolyn daily, and you'll see what happens. Some people buy Mitolyn, they ask, is Mitolyn safe? The answer is yes, because in each Mitolyn supplement, there are no stimulants, no caffeine, and no harsh chemicals. Most people experience 0 side effects. Some may feel a slight detox or energy spike in the first few days. That's your body adjusting. However, if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, talk to your doctor before starting Mitolyn. Taking Mitolyn is simple. Just take 2 capsules a day, preferably with food. No special diet required, though healthy eating helps you see faster results. Consistency is key. You can't skip days and expect miracles. Mitolyn works best as part of a routine, not a quick or overnight fix. Yet a lot of people ask, is Mitolyn legit or is it a scam? The answer is no. Mitolyn is made in the US in GMP-certified facilities, backed by science, and has thousands of verified buyers. But be careful where you buy it. Only order from the official Mitolyn website to avoid fakes. I have dropped the official website below in the description and in the comment box so you don't buy fake from third parties' websites like Amazon or eBay. But how much is Mitolyn? If you're ready to buy Mitolyn, please note that due to its high quality and effectiveness for weight loss, Mitolyn isn't the cheapest supplement. But that's a good thing. You get premium ingredients, real results, and a 90 days money-back guarantee if you didn't see a positive weight loss result within those 90 days. Yep, you have a full 90 days to try it risk-free. If you don't feel a difference, request a refund They'll refund your money 100% back, no questions asked. Here's my honest take. If you're tired of feeling exhausted, if you've hit a plateau with weight loss, and you want something that supports your body without side effects, then Mitolyn is 100% worth trying. It's not hype. It's not a quick fix. It's a well-formulated supplement for people who are ready to get their health back. So click the link in the description to get the best deal on Mitolyn, plus the full guarantee. Don't wait. Give your body the fuel it actually needs, and remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more honest health reviews. Do feel free to ask your questions as I answer all questions or leave a comment below.